Click on the subscribe button, especially the bell on the right side. Otherwise, you will miss the latest videos.
Namaste, Shri K.K. Parashar ji. Welcome to Saptarishi's Astrology, sir. Please tell us briefly about your topic. हमें संक्षिप्त में अपने राहु केतु वेबिनार के विषय के बारे में बताइए.
Sure. I'll be speaking on the role of Rahu Ketu in Prashna. So what they do is they do a lot of topsy-turvy in a horoscope when they are involved in the Prashna Kundli. So my system is, according to what I'm going to speak, is through Chandranadi. Now Chandranadi has a very unique system. It has nothing to do with the old system of Nadis. No, this is a system where we immediately take the longitude of the moon, that is the degrees and the minutes of the moon, is nakshatra and its lord where it is gone and gone, and then it is fitted on the horoscope of the native, and from there which planet is connecting with which planet, that transit moon. From there we predict things. Now I'll show you a horoscope which where I'll put the transit moon on that horoscope and tell you what the question was and how it came out. Yeah. Now if you see, this is a Virgo Lagan horoscope, and this is a horoscope of a lady.
Yeah.
Now this is a Virgo Lagan horoscope, and this is a horoscope of a lady who's in her 50s, and her background is she's a divorced lady, and then second marriage, she's separated from her husband, and she is staying in Australia. Now she called me up and asked me, when do I get a person in my life? Now that time, this transit moon was in this Leo Rashi. It was on the 24th of July 20 at 2:22 p.m. So this transit moon connected with her Rahu, Sun and Moon by this 7th house aspect. Now when transit moon connects with Rahu and Ketu, it is very inauspicious and lot of troubles. Now see the beauty of the horoscope. Now Mercury indicates love. So her question was when she'll get a man. No, it is connecting with the this natal Mercury. So the question is very indicative. And Rahu Ketu in this axis shows inauspiciousness, obstacles in getting a person to love or for a companionship, because she's in her 50s, rather she's running her 50th year. So my answer to her was, you will have to wait for some time, because this Rahu Ketu, unless this thing moves out, only then things will work out. So this is how we immediately come to know how Rahu and Ketu gives results. And secondly, I'm also going to tell you something very new, that when Rahu and Ketu interacts with the planets in the natal horoscope, what does it mean? If Rahu connects with Venus, it shows multiple partners, And if it is a women's horoscope, it shows some the health problems. And interestingly, when Ketu interacts with Venus, my God, the person gets a dominating wife. Something, well, what can I say? So these are some important things I'm going to discuss in my talk on the Independence Day. And I'm going to give at least 8 to 10 horoscope where Rahu Ketu is involved in different situations, how it interacts with different planets and what results it gives. This is what I'm going to tell. And it will be very, very interesting because this is a new concept of Nadi astrology, that is Chandranadi, through the Chandranadi. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.